going to the food festival.
Okay, Annie, what are we doing first?
We are doing dumplings and dips for some shrimp and chicken dumplings because I'm a dumpling fanatic. Do you like dumplings?
Not really. My steez. Okay, here, come over here. Bada boom. Oh no, honey.
That has been my time, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mrs. Hungarian, PKA Little BC. Those are the many
Don't say I literally.
we just met the Hungarian guys. Thank you, JB.
Yeah. I gotta put my. We ain't got lobster.
Next is Hungarian, everyone. All right, Dreamfood Fest, everybody is my slow people. We have
I'm scared.
more music up until then. Please stay hydrated and upgrade to the VIP if you wanna. Let's be back soon.
That's busting.
Yeah. What do you think? Let's go rating.
That's like an 8.5. So,
I like spice.
if you don't like spice, don't dip it in that sauce. I definitely dipped it way too much because now my tongue is feasting. So I would just eat one regular. You want to try it?
I'm just gonna record. Fried ice cream. Cookies and cream. Oh, you want to do strawberry cheesecake? You pick. Cookies and cream or strawberry cheesecake? Oh.
Okay. Oh, cookies and cream. There's no strawberry cheesecake.
Powdered sugar?
Powdered
Yeah, the
sugar.
powdered sugar.
Now, y'all, I was into some big back activities. I had deep fried ice cream. This, it looks cooler than it tastes. I'm not going to lie. But it was so cool, the dry batter, the wet batter, then the deep fry. It was amazing. So they had random tents set up in the middle so that when you went to go get your food from the little tables at the food festival, you could go under the tent because it was hot as balls. And we tried the fried Oreo right here. Like, yes. So, y'all, we tried the fried ice cream. My boyfriend went first. Obviously, y'all could tell it was busting to him. My boyfriend loves ice cream. So this was just a 10 out of 10. And then he gonna get a little bop with it. That's how you know it was really good when he started rocking his head. Hold on, wait for it. There. You see that? That little, yeah. That's how you know he liked something. So, that was, also, there was a Bali performance going on, and they was eating down, but the music is mad loud, so that's why I have to do this voiceover. Now, I tried it, got the little scoop. It really wasn't hitting for me. Like, I'm not going front. It was cool. The idea was more fascinating than the taste. I'm not going to lie. It just tastes like you combined the crispy, crunchy outside with some ice cream, but it didn't enhance the ice cream. When Ratatouille put the strawberry and the cheese together and then they went into that that world where the strawberry just tasted so good, and Ratatouille went into his own little world. Like, I wasn't having that moment with this. It just was like, ooh, sorry y'all, that was probably a little nasty. I'm sorry, but yeah, it was like 6 out of 10.
Recuerdas mis locuras y el amor aquel. Tú con él. Yo sospechaba terminar así. Yo solamente fui la excusa para hacerle ver que tú podías, si querías, vivir sin su amor. Ay, perdóname, no me di cuenta de ese juego y me enamoré.
So y'all, at Dreamfood Fest, I would give it to them. We went on the last day, and not many of all the vendors was there for the last day. It was like a Monday, I believe, and the people who were there, it was still bussing. Like, they had all different drink vendors, Mexican food, Jamaican food, Spanish food, Korean food, Peruvian food. It was definitely versatile, but overall, I would definitely say, like, I would go again. Now I see what people be saying when they say I got resting bitch face. Oopsie.
Down there first.
So y'all, here we went to this place where you can get like meat on a stick, cause like I thought that was fascinating, and I love shish kebabs. Come on now, y'all, like get with it. If you don't know, now you know. So we got, well, my boyfriend had got beef and I got chicken. We grabbed the wrong stick, so that's why you see us switching. Oh, and that mango lemonade in front of me, bust down. 10 out of 10, highly would recommend. And the mango slices was cold. I literally had that cup empty. Like, ice and mangoes was... Anyway, back to the meat on the stick. Hold on, wait a minute. My chicken was better than his beef, he said. He said he would give the beef like a 4, and the chicken I would give like a 8. It really wasn't all that. It was just like chicken on a stick, like nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, pause. Intermission. Does my boyfriend not seem like Wizard Kelly from Penny Proud? Like, you can't just see his face, but you can just see the body. It's because he mad tall. So like, we was never gonna be in the same frame unless we both backed up. But obviously, you can see, yeah, he said it's a 4. He said the beef was a 4 out of 10. He definitely said the chicken was better. I only ate the chicken. I'm not a big fan of beef, especially when I don't know who cooked it or, like, what they cooked it with. But, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That mango lemonade, I was trying to drink the ends of it all. And when I tell you it was bussing, I'm telling you, it was bussing. Like, that was probably way better than the meat on a stick. So then we came across this sea bao, and they just had all different bao buns. Now, I go to this spot where they make the best miso soup ramen, spicy miso soup ramen, and bao buns. So I was intrigued by these bao buns. I have a thing for texture, and I love the way the texture of bao buns feel and taste. So yeah, I had to get me one. Of course, I got that beef bulgogi, because if you ever been to Korean barbecue, you know what's up with that beef bulgogi. So I had to. It was no other choice. And everybody keep talking about this lychee. So I got me a little lychee drink too. I was surprised. I was a little scared. I'm not going to lie about it, but for the most part, it was very, very good. And so all in all, I think it went well. lychee and bulgogi beef bao buns. Let's try this one. I need to be colder. Mix it in there. Pour that there. And buff it. And then a beef bulgogi bao bun.
Wait, it has ice in it.
Not milk. Now let's switch it up in here. Y'all, this is butter. Oh.
This is big.
This is butter. That's worth it. Okay, thank you.
Right under the tent. Oh, pizza.
She said it's still hot like an apple pie. Wow. Wow. That tastes busted. That was busted. That was a 10 out of 10. Deep fried watermelon. It is still hot like apple pie, and I think that's why you're not supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth. But that, look at the watermelons, lemonades. Oh. Alright, you wanna try it?
You know the icing is like a vegan icing on top.
It is? Oh my god.
Your brain is like, stop. Your mouth is like, not hold up. Let it go. Let it go. add a little syrup, and us kids would eat it. It wasn't for the adults, it was just for us country kids. Because my grandma was country and cheap. And I never go to waste. We run Maryland chicken, it's all my grandma's recipes from Maryland. Then my wife used my 8-year-old grandma from Mississippi, and nothing on the menu that represents her. So here's what the fried watermelon. And I'm like, baby, now I don't know something. She adds the fried watermelon to the menu, and it's horrible.
No.
Everyone hates it.
What?
Too weird to American. She really felt like she was disrespecting my grandma. So we decided to make it Filipino style. Instead of a slice, it's a little ball of watermelon. Instead of pancake batter, it's my grandma's cake batter. It's extra with watermelon juice as the liquid. Fried Filipino style. Like my grandma's vanilla ice. And it accidentally became our best seller. This is crazy. What is visiting America to share with you?
Woo! Thank you.
That's fine.
Oh, it fell.
It's still buzzing. Want to have on it? Right under the tent. Oh, pizza.
She said it's still hot like an apple pie.
Was totally unique. But combine one flavor with another, and something new was created.
Wow. Wow. That tastes bussin'. That was bussin'. That was a 10 out of 10. Deep fried watermelon. It is still hot like apple pie, and I think that's why you're not supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth. But that, look at the watermelons, lemonades. Oh. Alright, you wanna try it?
You know the icing is like a vegan icing on the top?
It is? Oh my god. Ooh. Yo.
Your brain is like stop. Your mouth is like not holding. That is great.
That is insane. That is insane.
Only black owned restaurant in the Philippines.
What? Okay.
It's probably the best dessert I've ever had. My wife. So we run a restaurant called Maryland Chicken back home in Manila. You guys, decades, my grandma's soul food, Filipino pop food. And that's the craziest thing right there. My grandma used to fry slices of watermelon like the morning after Thanksgiving. And like, you need extra slices to be a pulsing in. So take those slices, batter it that morning, pancake batter, add a little syrup, and us kids would eat it. It wasn't for the adults, it was just for us country kids. Because my grandma was country and cheap. And I never go to waste. We run Maryland chicken, it's all my grandma's recipes from Maryland. Then my wife used my 80-year-old grandma from Mississippi, and nothing's on the menu that represents her. So here's what the fried watermelon. And I'm like, baby, now I don't know something. Add the fried watermelon to the menu, and it's horrible.
No.
Everyone hates it.
What?
Too weird to American. So she really felt like she was disrespecting my grandma. So we decided to make it Filipino style. Instead of a slice, it's a little ball of watermelon. Instead of pancake batter, it's my grandma's cake batter. Extra with watermelon juice as the liquid. Fried Filipino style. Top of my grandma's vanilla ice. And it accidentally became our best seller. This is crazy. What is visiting America to share with you?
Woo! Thank you.
That's fine.
Oh, it fell.
It's still buzzing. You want to have on it?
One stop, one stop, one stop.